Hey everybody, so this is my 1 year review of my Raptor Liner. Back May of 2020 I installed this myself. I'll throw a link in the description below to that video. And here it is, August of 2021, and I wanted to do I guess just a follow-up on it and show y'all how it's held up. So far all I've done is I ended up getting a mat to go in the bottom, and I'll explain that in a second. All I've done is pulled that out and took my blower and blown the majority of the dust out. But so 95% of the time in here I carry a mobility scooter for my wife, because you never know whenever she needs that or not. So that sits on this side, and as you can tell, this side's kind of cleaner because nothing really goes over here except for that. On this side, this past, since I guess February or so, we've been doing a lot of traveling for my son's archery, and muddy boots and stuff like that will go over there. But back about the same time we started doing that, I got this thing. So some of the mud got under that. It's no big deal, but like I said, I'll explain why I got that in a second. But let's just go over this. So the tailgate, starting back here, you can tell where I've been loading the scooter a lot. It's like 100 and something pounds, and I don't break it all the way down, so I kind of slide it, and this is a disposable part basically. So, but you can tell where it's been wearing down on this ridge here. That's partially from me loading and unloading, and that's partially, like this spot is actually where the seat, because I'll take the seat and set it back here, where it's rubbed a little bit. This spot right here is a spot that I missed. I over taped. So like I said, make sure that you actually double check all your tape and you prep properly. So this is actually, this spot and this spot are from the seat rubbing. So, I mean, it's not ideal, but, you know, it is what it is, I guess. But overall, the rest of the tailgate seems to have held up pretty well. I did not spray it as many layers as I did the actual bed, unfortunately. So, as far as the actual bottom of the bed goes, it's held up pretty well. The sidewalls and everything seem to have done well, and surprisingly enough, the front up there has actually done well. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's actually where the front of the scooter rides, and it has not rubbed through there. I did go heavy on the front and the bottom. But so the reason that I got the mat is because when we are camping, I carry my generator and some gas cans and stuff like that, and in addition to the scooter over here. And with that stuff sliding in around, I just wanted something a little bit more grippy than this to help keep it from sliding so much. So that's the reason for that mat. But let me show you this over here on this fender. This is where the handle for the scooter has fallen over some and ridden a while. That was actually, that part where it's eaten through the paint was like that before I even sprayed it. But I guess I didn't go heavy enough on the fender wells here. So I guess now I need to see what it would take to go through and actually touch up these spots and maybe go a couple coats thicker on the actual wear spots. But like right over there you can see where like the gas cans ride, and they kind of ride on that. Let me see if we can get a better shot. Can't really reach up in there, but that's just surface. That's like kind of chalky. It has not eaten down into the Raptor Liner yet. So yeah, so far, I mean, it's held up pretty well. Yes, it does have a few spots like that, and then the tailgate where I didn't really go as heavy as I should have. But that's kind of my problem, not really the Raptor Liner's fault. The bottom of it has held up very well. I mean, it's filthy because stuff's gotten under the mat. And like I said, I wanted this to be a real review, not something that I doctored it up or anything. So, yeah, I think this is a really good product, actually, and a lot cheaper than Line X. So, I want to say it was the 4 bottle. I can't remember. I'll put a thing here how many bottles I did, but maybe I should have got an extra one, or 2, maybe, because the tailgate, I needed some more. But, yeah, that's about it. I hope that you found this informative. Hope it helped you make a decision one way or another. Whether it be go with the Raptor Liner or, go ahead and pay the extra money for the Line X, or insert brand X here. I don't think you can really go wrong with either. If you are kind of a do-it-yourself kind of person, then Raptor Liner, it actually holds up really well. So if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click the little bell notification icon after you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, y'all have a great day.